Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make very beautiful flower arrangement again with the beautiful roses. So we have a lot of roses over here. I have a pink flower again inside the pink, so we can push the roses inside. I have over here some veils, which I got them for a long time, and sometimes I use them for bouquet flower or for any kind of reason that I need to use them. So I cut a piece over here about, let's see, it's about 2 feet by 1 feet, just to make, you can cut it as much as you want, just to make like a bouquet to hold the flower in. That's all you need to do. You can do 2 layer or 1 layer, whatever you want. Here this is 2 layer, and I'm going to put a yellow color too, of course. This is for flower arrangement. We get them and we make arrangement with this. So what I have to do is, I'm just gonna put the purple one inside and the yellow color outside, so we can see the flower to be looking beautiful like this. Or maybe I should put the pink color under, the yellow one outside. Yes, just like this. So we can do either way you want. You can do it. It depends what kind of flower color do you have, the roses you have. So what I have to do is, I have a scissor over here. I'm going to cut the bottom like a cross, or just slice it like this. Here we go. So what I have to do is, I'm going to put this inside like this, and I'm going to put my roses, and then I'm going to make it like a bunch, like a bouquet, and it's going to look very beautiful. So I have to cut some more because this is a little bit too narrow. It's going to be inside of the vase, so it's not going to show. So this is the way we're going to put it, and then we're going to collect them a little bit to look beautiful. So I have over here again, you can do yellow roses, you can do pink one, whichever you want. They are such beautiful roses. It's too bad they don't have too much smell. But what I have to do is now, and I want to give you an idea. Now, in case if you want to grow a rose again, this one you can dip them in a hormone and you can plant them, and I will guarantee you it will grab it. So now I'm gonna cut, but make sure that you keep it always in the water so it doesn't get air. So what I have to do, I'm gonna cut them short, and I'm gonna fill my bouquet. This is too low, too high. I wanna go as a little shorter as I can. Like this. I put some water, of course, already over here. We have to make sure first. Let's see. I'm going to hold all my flowers together first. Even if you don't have pink flower, I guess it will be okay, because this is a square. It's a square vase, and it's going to be okay if it stays all in without going in the pink. I want to just make sure that all of them are kind of the same height. And if you cut them, try to cut them a little bit at an angle. So what it does, I think it's easier to drink the water, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not saying anything wrong. And whenever you cut your roses from your garden, make sure, let's say this is the bouquet outside. When you cut them, make sure from outside, cut it, make sure the angle is inside. Like, go from out an angle like this. So always the buds, the new buds will grow easy. It doesn't grow this way. It grows nice and fluffy together. And my mitten is on the table. This is his first time. He's exploring, I guess. I usually don't like them to be on the table, but he's curious. He says, I'm working, he's taking advantage of it. Okay. See how beautiful the roses are? It's really set to cut it, but if I'm going to enjoy it inside, it doesn't matter, still long or short, I will enjoy. You can make a beautiful bouquet. You can take it to your mother, friends, family. You can enjoy them in the house. I'm having an engagement very soon, this weekend. I'm going to take some beautiful arrangement with me. Look already how beautiful it looks, just the way it is. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grab it all together. Let's make a couple more while I have it. Make sure do not leave them too long out of the water. And now we can go through this veil and then go through this one. Mitten. And here is my beautiful kitty cat, which the mother had the baby under my house. I took care of him. Okay, let's put the tall one over there. You're scratching me. And now the veil, when it's too long, you think, just push it inside. It's not gonna hurt. You just give the arrangement to make it beautiful. Just like this. Those little kittens, they are very troublemakers. All right, this is very, very, very simple arrangement. Let's put the tall one in the middle and the short ones inside. Now you can see how beautiful arrangement it is, just the way it is. Now what I'm going to do, because I have a little bit beautiful grasses, I'm just going to put them in, because it's always good to have a little green with your flowers. Now when you have a dinner, lunch with friends, put them on the table and let them see your beautiful arrangement. We don't want to put too long. I have to cut them some more to make it a little shorter, because I think it's going to look better when it's shorter. We don't want to take away the roses because of the green grasses. Make it a little shorter like this, here and there. Make sure you add a little bit more water, of course. And it will look so beautiful. I'm not sure if you ever seen on wedding tables flowers like this. They spend too much money to do decoration, and look how simple and easy it is. If you're getting married, try to do it yourself. How hard it can be to do this. What a beautiful arrangement it is. Very simple and very beautiful. There you go. I don't think I need to add anything more than what I put already in. Just fix them. There you go. Let's add a couple more to give a little bit more color. Wherever we missed it, we just add some more. Just little heads of the flower to be out, the grasses. We have a lot of birds, we have a lot of squirrels. Now my mitten is coming. All right, here we go. I want to show you that how beautiful arrangement it is. Very simple, very beautiful. It's not hard. Just take a little veil and use it and put them together. Well, thank you for watching. I hope if you have a garden, you picked up your roses and you'll make beautiful flower arrangement for your indoor at your table so your family can enjoy too. Well, thank you for watching again, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like, and I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.